These guys be cleaning up all sorts of fallen trees out here. This road is completely blocked. Got some chainsaws, chopping it up. So they're taking the whole thing apparently. There's tons of timber that have fallen around here. Talking metric. It's crazy, man. It's like 6 power poles down right next to my house. Man, these trees are beautiful. Huge, old trees. Like, big trees. So yeah, some market value be falling around here on these houses. Along with the trees that are falling on them. Jeez.